Create new user accounts within your main iDrive account easily. From the Add Invite Users drop-down list, select Add Users. To add a single user, under the Add Users section, fill in the information and click on Add User. A confirmation message appears on successful addition of a user. The added user appears on the dashboard in the Users and Groups sub-tab. To add multiple users, select Add Users and download the template file from the Add Multiple Users section. The template file contains a sample entry. Delete the sample entry and enter new user information in the same format. Save the modified file and upload it. Import the user entries by clicking on Add Users. A confirmation message appears on successful addition of users. You can also add users by inviting them. To invite users, click on the Users and Groups sub-tab. From the Add Invite Users drop-down list, select Invite Users. Enter email address and add a message. Click on Send Invite. You can also add users to groups. Click on the Settings sub-tab and navigate to Groups. Enter group name and click Create Group. To add users to the group, click the Add Users to Groups from Dashboard option. Alternatively, you can also go to the Users and Groups sub-tab. Select the required users and click the group icon. Select the group name and click Save to add users to the group. A confirmation message appears on successful addition of users to the group.